I'm going to click Upload Return here. And what's this? 2025? That's right. As of January 26th, 2026, the IRS is now accepting 2025 tax return filings, which means Holistiplan also accepts 2025 tax return uploads. It's actually a project, it starts around August, September. That's when we start to see the first draft forms from the IRS. And then throughout that time period, we're mapping new layouts to forms, we're mapping new fields. Sometimes there's entirely new forms, like this year is Schedule 1A, which lists out all the new deductions that were added in the latest tax law. And you may not have clients who file on the first day of tax season. I think I always had one who was a TurboTax filer, and he always religiously filed on the first day. But you may not have any, but they may start to trickle in over the next few days. You may also have draft returns, okay? And that's still something that's useful potentially within the system, is to review a draft return, either to check your client for accuracy, especially if they're a self-filer, make sure that they captured some tax planning thing you did. Or if you just want to make sure that you get ahead of the communications with a client if there is some big material change to their tax bill, either for their own circumstances or for planning purposes, some planning strategy we used last year. Get ahead of it before they actually file the final return. And when you do mark something as draft, let me just show you what happens here. I'll click client, and I would upload my return here normally, but here I can say upload as draft. There's this little checkbox here, and when you do that, it just adds a little tag next to the return. So that way down the road, a year from now, 2 years from now, when you're looking back and you see two 2025 returns, you'll be able to say, okay, this was the final filed one, but this was the draft one I looked at earlier. So it just adds a little flag on the draft return. All right, so yes, we're open for business. Go ahead and upload those 2025 returns. Best of luck in tax season, and we will be there for you throughout the entire year as we help our clients with their tax planning. Thank you.